Hi, I'm Kelsey, and in this presentation, I will be going over my concept and design for an app called the Book Club. Based on the task to keep track of something, I chose to design an app that would allow users to create and join book clubs, keep track of their progress through specific books, and stay connected with the members of their book clubs. So the primary goal is to track progress through a book in a fun and interactive way, and the secondary goal is to share your progress with your book club members. There are a few existing reading tracking apps on the market, including Reading List, Bookly, Beanstack, and the most popular app, Goodreads. I found that the majority of these apps have relatively minimal design and are challenging to use. Mainly, you have to manually input page numbers, the duration that you spent reading, and other factors you might want to track. This ultimately makes users have to spend too much time entering their data and navigating around multiple entry fields and pages that are not very user-friendly. These are all things I decided to get rid of completely within the Book Club app. This app is for anyone who is an avid reader and loves the social aspect of book clubs. Savannah is a 25-year-old young professional living in Portland, Oregon. She is currently reading multiple books at once and loves to stay organized and checking off her to-do list. She needs her app to be fun, interactive, and engaging so she can make the most out of reading, building relationships, and enjoying the story that she is reading. She also wants the app to supplement her reading experience and not become a hassle to remember to use. While outlining my user flow, I wanted to keep the app simple and easy to use. Many of the pages are interconnected, so the user can quickly go between tracking their progress to messaging their group to learning more about the book they are reading. This circular user flow keeps user interactions dynamic, engaging, and nonlinear. These initial wireframes were instrumental in realizing what didn't work in pre-existing reading tracking apps, and also helped me create a UX system that was cohesive and easy to use. User tests done during this wireframe stage helped me pare down overly complicated tracking options and helped me see the importance of improving general usability and adding functions such as a calendar system and a messaging function. Moving on to the UI side of the project, I created 3 distinct concepts for the overall look and tone of the app. These were relaxation, discovery, and whimsy. I chose to move forward with the concept of discovery, as reading allows people to experience new worlds, new people, and new perspectives that they've never encountered before. This concept of discovery can be seen in both the UX and UI of the Book Club app. There are book-specific illustrations that help the reader visualize the world they are entering within the story, and as the user makes their way through the book, they're able to uncover information about the author, the story, and explore important moments from the book itself. Let's see how this works in the prototype. The user is first prompted to log in or sign up. Let's go ahead and log in. On the home page, the user is welcomed and can see all of the book clubs they are currently part of. Savannah is part of 2 book clubs right now, and they're able to easily add another one when they're ready. Each book club card shows a unique illustration related to the book they're reading, the book club name, the number of members, and below that there's a quick glance at your progress within that book. There's also a calendar where you can see today's date and any upcoming book club meetings you might have. Just click on the date to see meeting specifics and any other important information. In BookBabes, Savannah is currently reading Dune. Each book is set up so that you can see a full list of the book's chapters. As you make progress through the novel, click on the chapter or bonus circle that you are currently on, indicated by this pink ring, to track your progress. You're also able to see your friend's progress, indicated by the small dots under each chapter. Clicking on this people icon, you can see who the color indicates and their location again. Savannah just finished Chapter 14. This circle reveals a quote along with a theme that is vital to the plot of that chapter. You can either complete this chapter or share your progress with your friends, which we're going to do. You're able to write and send a note, which will then complete the chapter. So let's write a note, and it'll tell your friends that you just finished Chapter 14. And press send. Your progress ring has moved over to the bonus circle, so let's see what's revealed under here. Here we learn about the sand dunes that inspired Frank Herbert to write Dune. And complete. Now we have a new message indicator on the navigation bar. Here you can see the message we sent earlier shows up as a filled-in message bubble within our existing chat thread. And within a few steps, we were able to complete our goal of tracking our reading progress and sending our progress to our friends. Other features include having a place to leave notes within each book. There's also an overview of each book and a bookshelf with all of your current and past books that you have read. Thank you so much for listening to my presentation.